Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Flip5 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Firstly, open Devices Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then tap on General Management. Select Samsung Keyboard Settings and manage all of those options under Smart Typing. If you wish to access even more, scroll down, click on More Typing Options and adjust them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!